Hello everyone, welcome back to Mahi's Life Science channel. In this video, we will discuss about 50 MCQs in General Microbiology, and these MCQs are very useful for clearing examinations such as ASR, ASRB, CSAR, entrance examination, ICMR, JRF and competitive exam as well as preliminary examination for various posts. First question. Leeuwenhoek developed microscope of with magnification of option A 100, B 300, C 1000 and D 1500. The correct answer is option B 300. And he was the father of microbiology and he observed microorganisms including bacteria as well as red blood cell and protozoa. Question number 2. Which of the following pairs of investigators lived at the same time? Option A. Darwin and Woose, B. Koch and Pasteur, C. Leeuwenhoek and Rickert, D. Berg and Hooke. The correct answer is option B. Koch and Pasteur. And these two scientists played a major role in the development of microbiology. Question number 3. The term antibiotic was coined by option A. Alexander Fleming, B. Robert Koch and C. S.A. Waxman, D. Louis Pasteur. The correct answer is option C. S.A. Waxman, and he described the substance produced by microbes that have antimicrobial property. Question number 4. The term vaccine was coined by option A. Edward Jenner, B. Robert Koch, C. S.A. Waxman and D. Louis Pasteur. The correct answer is option A. Edward Jenner, and he is the father of immunology and is credited with developing the first vaccine which was used to protect against smallpox. Question number 5. Leeuwenhoek called the microorganisms as A. germs, B. microbes, C. animalcules and D. pathogens. The correct answer is option C. animalcules, and he able to isolate extremely minute animalcules from a variety of sources including rainwater, pool and well water as well as human intestine and mouth. Question number 6. Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin in the year option A 1920, B 1929, C 1940 and D 1950. The correct option is option B 1929. Question number 7. S.A. Waxman discovered streptomycin in the year option A 1920, B 1929, C 1940, D 1950. The correct answer is option C 1940. Question number 8. Alexander Fleming was awarded Nobel Prize in the year option A 1920, option B 1929, option C 1944, option D 1950. The correct answer is option C 1944. Question number 9. S.A. Waxman was awarded Nobel Prize in the year option A 1920, B 1929, C 1945, D 1952. The correct answer is option D 1952. Question number 10. Father of antiseptic surgery. Option A. Edward Jenner, B. Louis Pasteur, C. S.A. Waxman and D. Joseph Lister. The correct answer is option D. Joseph Lister. And he was the first to apply the science of germ theory to surgery, and he used a chemical called carbolic acid to prevent the infection in wounds during and after surgery. Question number 11. Who first crystallized virus? Option A. W. Smith and B. W. Stanley, C. Pasteur, D. Negri. The correct answer is option B. W. Stanley. And he was the first person to crystallize virus in tobacco mosaic virus in 1935. He extracted the virus from infected tobacco leaves and purified it into pure crystals. Question number 12. Bacteriophages was discovered by option A. Towert and D. Harrell, B. Watson and Crick, C. Danier and Raymer and D. Stanley. The correct answer is option A. Towert and D. Harrell. They studied the bacteriophages in depth and their replication and adaptation. They also proposed their potential use in treating bacterial infections. Question number 13. Viroids were discovered by option A. Towert and D. Harrell, B. Watson and Crick and C. Danier and Raymer, D. Stanley. The correct option is option C. Danier and Raymer, and he is an American plant pathologist at the Agricultural Research Service, and he discovered in the year 1971. He discovered viroid because it is like a virus. And question number 40. The first complete genome sequence was elucidated in option A. E. coli, B. Haemophilus influenza, C. Bacillus subtilis, D. Neurospora crassa. The correct answer is option B. Haemophilus influenza. And this is the first complete gap-free sequence of the human genome was published in 2022. Question number 50. The final blow to spontaneous generation theory was given by option A. Edward Jenner, B. Louis Pasteur, C. S.A. Waxman, and D. Joseph Lister. The correct answer is option B. Louis Pasteur, and he disproved the spontaneous generation theory by using germ theory of diseases, performing gooseneck flask experiment. Question number 16. The enrichment culture technique was developed by option A. Louis Pasteur, B. Vinogradski, C. S.A. Waxman, D. Joseph Lister. The correct answer is option B. Vinogradski. The enrichment culture technique is a method which involves creating a laboratory environment which stimulates the condition where microbes used to grow. Question number 17. The germ theory of diseases was established by option A. Louis Pasteur, B. Vinogradski, C. S.A. Waxman, D. Robert Koch. The correct answer is option A. Louis Pasteur, and he disproved the spontaneous generation theory that living organism could come from non-living matter. Question number 18. Who developed vaccine for rabies? Option A. Edward Jenner, B. S.A. Waxman, C. Robert Koch, D. Louis Pasteur. The correct answer is option D. Louis Pasteur. Louis Pasteur and his colleagues to vaccinate the young men suffered from rabies, and this is the first human rabies vaccination was a resounding success. Question number 19. Prokaryotic cell have ribosomes of option A 60S, B 70S, C 80S, D 90S. The correct answer is option B 70S. Question number 20. Eukaryotic cell have ribosomes of option A 60S, B 70S, C 80S, and D 90S. The correct answer is option C 80S. Question number 21. The double membrane bound organelles of eukaryotic cell. Option A chloroplast, B mitochondria, C nucleus, D all the above. The correct answer is D all the above. The eukaryotic cell which contain chloroplast, mitochondria as well as the nucleus. Question number 22. The protein associated with eukaryotic nucleus. Option A casein, B pepsin, C trypsin, D histone. The correct answer is option D histone. Histone is associated with the DNA of eukaryotic cell. Question number 23. The structure associated with conjugation in bacteria. Option A ribosomes, B pili, C flagella, and D cell membrane. The correct answer is option B pili, and it is a hollow tube-like structure that connects the two bacterial cells during conjugation. Question number 24. Prokaryotic cells do not have option A ribosomes, B cell wall, C mitochondria, and D cell membrane. The correct answer is option C mitochondria. Question number 25. Which amino acid does not constitute the protein but present in bacterial cell wall? Option A dipicolinic acid, B diaminopimelic acid, C tryptophan, D proline. The correct answer is option B diaminopimelic acid, and it is an essential component of the peptidoglycan of most gram-negative bacteria and also some gram-positive bacteria. Question number 26. A component of gram-positive cell wall which is absent in gram-negative cell wall is option A amino sugar, B amines, C teichoic acid, D protein. The correct answer is option C teichoic acid. Teichoic acid is found only in gram-positive bacteria. Question number 27. Peptidoglycan layer consists of amino acid and option A amino sugar, option B amines, option C amide, option D protein. The correct answer is option A amino sugars. Question number 28. The arrangement of the following in bacteria is referred as fluid mosaic model. Option A cell wall, B. Cell membrane, C. Flagella, D. Ribosome. The correct answer is option B. Cell membrane. The fluid mosaic model mainly describes the cell membrane as a mosaic of this component that gives the membrane a fluid-like character. Question number 29. The bacteria devoid of cell wall is called option A. Protoplast, B. Chloroplast, C. Nucleoid, D. Cytoplast. The correct answer is option A. Protoplast. Question number 30. The removal of bacterial cell wall is accomplished by option A. Nuclease, B. Cellulase, C. Lysozyme, D. Ribozyme. The correct answer is option C. Lysozyme. Question number 31. The bacterial nucleus is called option A. Nucleolus, B. Single-stranded DNA, C. Nucleoid, D. Thylakoid. The correct answer is option C. Nucleoid. Bacteria do not have a nucleus, so they do not have a nucleus type. Instead, bacteria have a nucleoid, which is a DNA structure that functions similarly to the nucleus in eukaryotic cell. Question number 32. The bacterial pili are made up of option A. Lipid, B. Polysaccharide, C. Nitrate, D. Protein. The correct answer is option D. Protein. The pili are made up of protein subunit called pilins or fibrins. Question number 33. The bacterial pili are also called as option A. Flagella, B. Fimbriae, C. Cilia and D. Axial flagella. The correct answer is option B. Fimbriae. Question number 34. Bacterial endospore contain large amount of this organic acid. Option A. Lactic acid, B. Pectic acid, C. Dipicolinic acid, D. Citric acid. The correct answer is option C. Dipicolinic acid, and it is an organic acid that contributes to the heat resistance of the endospore. Question number 35. Pick out the endospore forming bacteria. Option A. Rhizobium, B. Clostridium, C. Pseudomonas, D. Rickettsia. The correct answer is option B. Clostridium. Question number 36. Bacterial capsule is composed of option A. Cellulose, B. Pectin, C. Polysaccharide, D. Lipid. The correct answer is option C. Polysaccharide, and this is the primary component of most bacterial capsules. Question number 37. The circular DNA molecule that are capable of autonomous replication are option A. Cosmid, option B. Plasmid, option C. Plasmosomes, option D. Satellite virus. The correct answer is option B. Plasmid. Question number 38. Which one of the following statement is not correct in case of plasmid? Option A. Self-replicating, option B. Extra chromosomal, option C. Variable in size, option D. Single stranded structure. The correct answer is option D. Single stranded structure. In case of plasmid, they are self-replicating and extra chromosomal, and even they are variable in size. Question number 39. The actinomycetes are also called as A. Ray fungi, B. Filamentous bacteria, C. Actinobacteria, D. All the above. The correct answer is option D. All the above. Question number 40. Which one of the following actinomycetes is a diazotroph? Option A. Streptomyces, B. Nocardia, C. Frankia, D. Actinomyces. The correct answer is option C. Frankia. The Frankia is an ecological interest for several reasons, including its wide distribution, its ability to fix nitrogen, differentiate into sporangium and vesicle. Question number 41. Which one of the following statement is not correct in case of actinomycete? Option A. Aerobic, B. High GC percentage, C. Gram negative, D. Form branching filament. The correct answer is option C. Gram negative. Question number 42. Mycoplasma do not have option A. Ribosomes, B. Cell wall, C. Cell membrane, D. DNA. The correct answer is option B. Cell wall. Question number 43. Mycoplasma cell membrane contains option A. Peptidoglycan, B. Sterol, C. Glycogen, D. Polysaccharide. The correct answer is option B. Sterol. Question number 44. The bacteria that produce asexual conidiophores. Option A. Mycoplasma, B. Cyanobacteria, C. Actinomycetes, D. All the above? The correct answer is option C. Actinomycetes. Actinomycetes only they can able to produce the asexual conidiophores. Question number 45. Which of the following is not a character of actinomycetes? Option A. Filamentous, B. Aerobic, C. Produce conidia, D. Low GC content. The correct answer is option D. Low GC content. Question number 46. The nitrogen fixing cell of filamentous cyanobacteria is option A. Acinids, B. Vegetative cells, C. Heterocyst, D. None of the above. The correct answer is option C. Heterocyst. The heterocyst function as a site for nitrogen fixation under aerobic condition. Question number 47. The photosynthetic bacteria chlorobium are called option A. Purple sulfur bacteria, B. Green sulfur bacteria, C. Non-sulfur purple bacteria, D. Non-sulfur green bacteria. The correct answer is option B. Green sulfur bacteria. Question number 48. The photosynthetic bacteria chromatium are called option A. Purple sulfur bacteria, B. Green sulfur bacteria, C. Non-sulfur purple bacteria, D. Non-sulfur green bacteria. The correct answer is option A. Purple sulfur bacteria. Question number 49. The photosynthetic bacteria Rhodospirillum are called option A. Purple sulfur bacteria, B. Green sulfur bacteria, C. Non-sulfur purple bacteria, D. Non-sulfur green bacteria. The correct answer is option C. Non-sulfur purple bacteria. Question number 50. The photosynthetic bacteria Chlorofluxus are called option A. Purple sulfur bacteria, option B. Green sulfur bacteria, option C. Non-sulfur purple bacteria, option D. Non-sulfur green bacteria. The correct answer is option D. Non-sulfur green bacteria. Thank you. Stay tuned and subscribe for more videos in MCQs in microbiology.